And then when it's 1, 1, you can remember me. Yeah? And then if it's 1, 0, I'll remember you. Yeah. Okay, which question did we do last? What was our last one? Did we do 1 and 2, yeah? So we're on to number 3? Yeah? Yeah. Okay. Let's have a look, so. Yeah. Okay, so number 3 is getting more difficult now. Let's have a look. I'll give you an example, so let's see. Come on, Bill. Yeah. I know it's so boring. I know. Thank you. The line L. So if you can write this, the line L contains A and is parallel to the line that passes through B and C. Do we remember parallel and perpendicular?
Yeah.
Which one is parallel? And perpendicular is this one. You know how you can remember? Look. Look, 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 look. Parallel is parallel.
Parallel is parallel.
Yeah. See, because of the L. Yeah. And perpendicular is this one then. Yeah. Okay, so what I want you to do is just to draw what I described. I said the line L, what does this mean? Contains A. Yeah. What does that mean? Contains A.
Through.
Yeah, through A. Is on A. And is parallel to the line that passes through B and C. So it's parallel to BC. Right, okay. So I just want you to draw this so I can see if you understand the sentence. Let me have a look when you're ready. Let me have a look. This is A here, yeah? Good. No, just draw this one. Have you done it? Not quite. BC is one line. Yeah. Good.
L.
Where's A?
A?
Yeah.
A.
Yeah.
Have to go. I have to go to the Sylvia's office.
Sylvia's office at 12?
Half 12.
Okay, that's fine. Have you drawn it? Good. Okay, very good. It looks like you understand the picture. So here, there is BC, and there is A, and the line is a line parallel to this one, and that's L. Okay, so now let's give you A, 3, 9, B, minus 5, 23, and C, 5, minus 7. Yeah. Okay, so I want someone to tell me what to do. What to do first. Yeah, go ahead, tell me. What to do first. Any ideas? No, don't do it. No, don't do it. Don't do it. Tell me what to do. Who knows what to do? Don't be shy.
Hang on. Don't do it.
No, don't do it. Don't. Wait. Stop. Don't do it. First, I want someone to tell me what to do first.
Use the point B and point C to y equals ax plus b.
So we can use these two
Yeah.
in y equals mx
Yeah.
plus c.
Yeah.
Do you remember how to get the m?
Yeah.
What's the rule?
5.
Yeah, give me the rule.
X
Hmm?
y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1.
Good. So this gives us the m. Then how do we get c?
Use B and C.
Which one?
Maybe point C.
I think it's easier.
Yeah.
So then we can use c to get c.
Equals
But do we need to do that?
No.
No, we don't.
minus 7.
We don't really need to get the c. We don't really need to get this. We only really care about this. Because, if I go back to the picture, the m here
Yeah.
is the same as
Yeah.
the m here.
Yeah.
Yeah. So let's do it together. The m will be 23 minus 7 over minus 5 minus 5. So what's that?
Minus
16 over 10 minus 8 over 5. English?
This is 7 minus
Thank you. It should be,
plus
thank you, minus 7. I have 2 students listening. Very good. Oh, 3 students then. Right, so this should be 30 over minus 10. So that is minus 3. Okay. So now we have y equals mx plus c. Now I want the c. Which do I use?
Maybe point A.
I must use a,
Yeah.
because only a is on the line. These two I don't want. I want this one. I must use a. 9 equals minus 3 times 3 plus c. 9 equals minus 9 plus c. So what's c?
18.
18. Finished. Y equals minus 3x plus 18. Okay. So it's more difficult. It's more difficult. So I just want you to do one of them. Okay. So could you do 3b? Yeah. Oh, who forgot their book? Forgot your book?
yes,
Is that home?
yes.
3B.
Correct. Finished? Yeah. Finished, Jason? Finished, yeah? Too easy? Okay. April? Honey? Finished? Okay. April, what was your answer?
Y equals minus 3x and 4.
Jason, what was your answer?
Y equal minus 1 over 9x plus
Honey? That's a different word. Honey, what's your answer?
Y equals minus 9.
Jocelyn? Not finished? Okay. What's your answer?
Y equals minus 9x minus 2.
Okay. Is that what you got? You got minus 9x? Minus 2? Maybe this is the right answer. Everybody answer is interesting. Let's do it. So, Jocelyn, did you finish? What answer did you get? Go on, don't be shy. What answer did you get?
I'm not sure. I is 9.
I think that's right. They got 9 as well, yeah?
Minus 9.
Oh, minus 9.
Yeah.
Minus 9?
Yes.
Yeah,
Minus 9.
Yes.
Okay. And C? Not yet, okay. Let's do it together. Let's see. Right, so the A is minus 1, 7. The B,
Minus 1.
minus 1, 8. And the C,
Minus
4.
4.
wait, minus 4,
4.
35.
5.
Okay, so first we'll use these two to get the M. So we'll have 8 minus 35 over minus 1 minus 4, which is plus then.
Yes.
So that's minus 28.
27.
27.
Thank you. And then this will be 3.
Yeah.
So M is minus 9.
Yeah, that's right.
Oh, yeah, I believe you. Yeah. I think this is right. Yeah. So we have Y equals MX plus C. We'll use this one now.
Yeah.
7 equals 9. Well, minus 9 minus 1, which is 9
Plus C.
plus C. 7 equals 9 plus C. C equals minus 2. So the answer is Y equals
Minus 9.
X minus 2. Did you get minus 2? What? April? Did you? Okay, good. Okay.
Can I use 35 with 8?
Yes. Yes. You can do it 35 minus 8 minus 4 minus 1. Yes. No problem. You should get the same answer. Yes. Yes. Okay. This time, the line L, which contains A, is perpendicular to the line joining, or line that joins B and C. So I want you to draw this for me so I can see if you understand. So we have the line L again, which contains A, but this time is perpendicular to BC. So can you draw? I want to see what you draw. Dennis taught you this? Rain, drizzle. Not Dennis. Who was it? Man or woman? You should know this. Huh? The boss. Okay. Cleaner then. Rain and drizzle. Yeah. Lots of this. Lots of this.
Point. That's it?
Yes. Very good. Again, always forget X and Y. I like X and Y. Did you draw it, April? Where's your X and Y? There we go. Okay. Okay. That's okay. And Jocelyn, let's see. Nearly. Jason? Where is he? Yes. Did I hear Chinese?
No, you didn't.
I don't think I did. My mistake. Yeah.
It's just the curve on
No, perpendicular means 90 degrees. Yeah. Yeah. So not. Yeah. So here, this must be 90. Yeah. The word you want for when just cross, not 90, is this one. Intersex. That means it could be like this. Yeah. And here, this point is called intersection. Yeah. Point. But also, it's also called the intersect. Yeah. Is that okay? Yeah. Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Can I go back here? Yeah.
No.
Okay. You want this word?
Yeah. Okay.
Yep. Okay, so now let's have a look. We'll say A is 3, 3. B is minus 4, minus 3.
Minus 3, minus 5.
Minus 3,
Minus 5.
minus 5.
Minus 5, not 5.
Thank you. Well, it's my question. I can change it if I want. Quick check. Look. What's this one called? And this one called?
X point. Y point.
No, it's another word. Not point. Together, this is called a point.
Yeah.
But what's this called and this called?
X and Y.
Ordinal.
X coordinate, Y coordinate.
Yeah.
Do you remember this word? You look shocked. Do you remember this? Okay. X coordinate, Y to coordinate. And together,
Point.
point. Yeah. You look shocked. I did teach you this. Yeah. Okay. So what should I do first? Let's have someone who's being quiet. Let's see. Maybe Honey, you can tell me.
Y equals
Okay. Next.
equals minus 3.
Yeah, you can give me the formula. Y.
To minus y
Yeah.
over x2 minus xy.
Good. And which do I use? A, B, or C?
B.
B and C. Yeah. And then last, what do I do last? Or sorry, what do I do next?
Equals
Here?
no.
No. Yeah. With the m, yeah?
Minus 3.
Ah, yeah. But what do I do here with the m? I need to change it.
Minus n.
So the next part is I have to turn the m upside down
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
and put a minus.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Why?
Multiply.
Because verbs and each other.
Yeah. This is what you mean, yeah? It's perpendicular. So do you remember the m? I turn it upside down
Yeah.
and put a minus.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then to finish, I can use my m, and then which point do I use for
A.
C?
Point A.
I must use A. I must use A. Okay. Do you think you could try that yourself, or do you want me to do it? How confident do you feel? Do you think you can do it? You look so worried. If you get it wrong, that's okay. No need to worry. We're all friends. Yeah? Try. See if you can do it. I believe in you. Yeah? Finished, brothers? Yeah. Why do you think it's wrong? It feels wrong.
Yeah.
One, three.
Do you think it's right?
You can see soon. What answer did you get, honey? Do you see his mistake?
ML equals
Let's see. Jason, what did you get?
Y equal half I plus 3 over 2.
Okay. The same?
Yeah.
What did you get, Rogers?
2.
Yeah?
Y equals
Yeah?
2x minus 4.
Don't think so. You got the same answer. What did you get?
Y equals half m.
Oh.
Plus 3 over 2.
I think this is right.
Yeah.
Did you get that, April? What did you get?
Y equals
Yeah?
minus half x plus 9 over 2.
Oh, minus a half x, huh? Okay, let's have a look.
Become 1 over 2.
Okay, let's have a look. M equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So use these. Minus 3 minus minus 5 over minus 4 minus minus 3. Minus 3 plus 5 over minus 4 plus 3. 2 minus 1.
Yeah.
2, I thought you said oh yeah, half, sorry, yeah. Minus 2. But it's perpendicular, so you have to change it. Yeah. M should equal 1 over 2. A plus, not a minus. Yeah. So far, so good. Well, no, you had minus, didn't you? Y equals mx plus c. Use A, yeah. 3 equals 3 over 2 plus c. C equals 3 minus 3 over 2, which is 3 over 2 also. This minus this. This one minus this one. C equals 3 minus 3 over 2, which equals 3 over 2. So I got my C, got my M, I'm finished. Y equals a half x plus 3 over 2. Yeah. You're okay, April? Are you sure? Okay. So we'll do one more and then we'll do something new. Okay, we'll do a different page. So I just do one more. The line L contains A and is perpendicular to the line from A to B. So the line L contains A and is perpendicular to the line from A to B. Can you draw this? Let me see what you draw. Yeah, interesting. Are you cold, April? Are you sure? Good. And you remembered X and Y. Did you draw? Let me see. Let's see. Yes. You drew? Yes. Did you draw it, April? Honey? Very good. Yes. Yes. You drew? Yeah. A is 9, 0, and B is 7 minus 5. Okay, wait. Listen. Let's see. Jocelyn, do you think you can tell me what to do? Yes? Yeah? Good, okay. What's next?
Use A and B.
In here, good, yeah. Then what's next?
And Y equals M X C.
Good. And the M here? Is this M?
No.
Good. What is it?
M1, M2 is
Minus.
minus 1.
Good. So you change it. You change it around. Good. Very good, very good. Okay, so you know what to do. Do other people know what to do? Yeah? You think you can do this one? Okay, so this is our last one and then we'll do something new. So can you try this one, please? Bell. Really? Okay. Jason, you finished? Yeah. Too easy? No. Rogers?
Yes.
Finished?
Yes.
It feels right or it feels wrong?
Maybe right, maybe wrong.
Okay. April? Finished? Does it feel right or does it feel wrong? Good, okay. Good, good.
It's right.
It's right, okay. Okay, let's do it together then. Right. M equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. 0 minus minus 5 over 9 minus 7. Yeah? 5 over 2. So m equals minus 2 over 5. Y equals m x plus c. Which do we use, A or B? Can we use B? No, we must use A. 0 equals minus 2 over 5 multiply 9 plus C. C equals 2 over 5 multiply 9. What's that? 18 over 5. Isn't it? Yeah. Y equals m x plus c. Did you get this, Jocelyn? No. Did anybody get it?
I don't know. Please.
The C is the problem. Yeah, okay. You get this? Lots of problems.
For example, I think xy equals 9, yy equals 0, x2 equals 7, y2 equals minus 5.
That's okay, isn't it?
But answer is different. I think answer is y equals 5 over 2x minus 5 over 18. Not y equals minus 5 over 2x plus 5 over 18.
Oh, okay.
It's not true.
It's okay. You understand now?
No.
Okay. What did you say? You said m equals...
5/2.
Yeah, but what did you say at the start? What?
X1 equals 9, and Y1 equals 2.
Yeah, but tell me what you wrote. What numbers?
-5, -0.
-5, -0.
7 minus 9.
7 minus 9.
Yeah.
Same.
Minus 2 equals -2 minus 5. -2/-5. 8 -2/5.
-5
Yeah.
over -2,
Yeah.
which is the same.
Yeah.
5/2. You can help them in English.
In China we call 2 minus
Yep. 2 minus make plus. Yep. In Ireland too. Yeah. Is this okay?
Yeah, maybe.
Maybe okay?
Yeah.
Yeah. It is okay. Rogers is having trouble. You remember doing this in China? In school?
Yeah.
Yes. Long time ago? Or recently? Long time ago?
High school.
High school. How long ago?
4 years ago.
7.
Oh, long time ago. 7 years ago?
Maybe.
Long time ago. How long for you? April. Middle school?
Yes, no.
How long ago?
Hello?
Yeah.
10
10 years?
No.
Long ago. But you still remember. Good middle school teacher. Good student. A good teacher? Okay. Alright. We can go on to the next lesson, yeah? Yeah. Now, just so you know, in IFY, oh dear. Baby sneeze. Oh dear.
Bless you.
So sick. Okay. Who's doing IFY in September?
Me.
Business?
Business.
Business? Don't know. Business? IFY business? And Jason? Got it. So when you go to IFY in September,
September 12.
so you're counting down, good, September 12th, yeah. When you go to IFY business, these lessons here, 1 page equals 1 hour. So we'll go a lot quicker.
No.
What's wrong?
No,
Are you causing trouble, Jason? Be good, please. In PFE, please listen to me. Please, I'm so sick. Please. 1 page,
Half hour.
2 hours. No, here. Yeah. So I'm going slower to help you feel comfortable. But when I teach you in September, I'll go much faster. Okay? So this is your time to learn all the English words. So it's easier for you in September. Yeah? So the next topic we'll do, if you want to write this down, we call it degree to system. Okay, can you write that down?
Yes, of course. Why not?
Why not indeed? Yeah. So let me explain what that means. if you have like this, let's say for example like this, here you have two of them, so that's why we call it degree 2, because you have two. And a system means like a group. They're together, grouped together. So these go together. So if you think about your middle school teacher, what do you think I want here? What do I want to find? No. Give me one word.
Minus.
Yeah, but I taught you the word for this. What's the word? I taught you today the word.
Parana.
Not this one?
Are you sure?
Oh, I'm 100% sure. Intersection point. Today we want to find this point. See, I did teach you today. Intersection point. Yes? I taught you last week also. Yes? Okay. So, we have different ways we can find this point. Different methods. Do you know this word? It means different ways. Yeah? So, once you write this down, I'll show you the different ways. Maybe you remember some from school. Okay, ready? I'm not ready, hang on. Do you remember from middle school you had different ways to do this? I can think of 4 ways. 4 different ways. How many can you think of? You don't need to tell me, but if you think about middle school, how many ways can you think of? If the answer is 0, that's okay. Yeah? 0? Or 1 way, 2 ways? How many can you remember? You can remember 1. Good. Jason? 0? 0, okay. Bill? No? No ways? Rogers? 1? Maybe 2. Maybe 1. April? 2. Okay. Good. Right. I'll show you the first way. First method. If you can write the name down.
Yeah.
Graphical method. Here is example. You got this? Name? Graphical method. Okay. I shall pick April. So I just want you to tell me what you think this method means, graphical method, if you look at the name. Look at this word. What do you think this word means? I'll help you even more. Look at this part of the word. Does anyone have you have an idea?
Join.
Yeah. For this method, we're going to draw and then look at where they meet.
Yeah.
You understand?
Mhm.
We'll make the picture.
Mhm.
This is a terrible way to do it. Why is it so bad?
We need a long time.
Lots of time. I don't have a lot of time. So instead, I'll make a beautiful picture here in my program. Yeah. Y equals minus 6x plus 8. Y equals minus 7x plus 9. And let me draw. Oh, beautiful. And then we'll draw this one. Now, let me fix that. Whoop. Hold on. I'll start again. No. Okay. Whoop. Here, maybe? Maybe. So you can see the problem with this method is not clear. So what point do you think this is? X is 1 and Y is what? What do you think? Maybe 2? I think so. So we think the answer is maybe 1, 2. Maybe. This is terrible, right? Very bad. So we don't do it this way because it's no good. We do it some other way. But this is the first method. We draw the 2 lines and we try and read where the point is on the graph. Okay? So can you just draw this stupid picture and then we'll do it a better way. Okay? So just draw this. You can draw it ugly. It's okay. Sometimes ugly is okay. Okay, can I continue?
Yes.
Yep. Okay, so the next method substitution method. Jason, you like football,
Yeah.
so maybe you know this word, substitution. Who else likes football, watches football? Does anyone know this word, substitution? It's in football, no? No? You watch football? No? Honey, watch football? No? Jason, are you the only one that watches football?
Yeah. I don't know.
But you watch football anyways, yeah. Do you watch football? No? April? Oh my goodness. Okay. In football, there's a word called substitution. And what it means, I'll draw it for you. When one player leaves and another player goes on, replacement. You know? So he is maybe number 2 and he leaves, and then maybe number 10 he enters.
Change.
Change players. You know this in football? Yeah. This is called substitution. When you make a change like this. Yeah? You know this in football? Do they do this in basketball?
Yeah.
Is in basketball? Yeah. Ping pong?
No.
I suppose so. Right. So substitution method. Let's see what that is. We'll use the same example. Y equals minus 6x plus 8. Y equals minus 7x plus 9. Oh, it's a little blurry. Okay, did you write that?
Yes.
Now, does anybody have an idea what to do? Substitution. What could I swap? What could I change?
Minus.
Not minus, no? Any ideas? I'll show you. Look. So see here, y equals minus 6x plus 8, but y also equals minus 7x plus 9. You get the idea now?
Yeah.
So this can move here.
Yeah.
Substitution.
Yeah.
They change. So you get minus 7x plus 9 equals minus 6x plus 8. It's like they swap. Yeah? So if I bring this over here and bring this over here, minus 7x plus 6x equals 8 minus 9. What's this? Minus x equals minus 9. No, minus 1. So x equals 1. But I don't have y. How can I get y?
X.
Yep.
Yeah.
X put in first one. Yeah. So you get y equals minus 6 plus 8, which equals 2. So the answer is 1, 2. That's good because that's what we thought it was, 1, 2. Okay, can you write this down? Example. Substitution method. Do you remember this from school? Yep. Almost remember. Great. Your middle school teacher will be so happy. You wrote this down? You got this? Yeah. Okay. Next method? Yes? Okay. Next method. Elimination method. Does anybody know this word? Eliminate? No? Anybody know? Eliminate? I'll tell you eliminate. Eliminate means cancel, kill, delete, destroy, you know?
Yeah.
Take away, no more.
Yeah.
So in this method, let me give you the same example. What was it? Y equals minus 6x plus 8. And then y what was it? Y equals minus 7x plus 9. Yeah. So elimination method, what you do is you try to kill x or y. So we'll try to cancel y. We take away. Y minus y, 0.
Equals
Minus 6x minus 7x. What's that?
plus
Plus
1x
x. 8
minus 1.
minus 9 minus 1. So what does x equal?
1.
1. And then you can put this back in here, and the same story, y equals minus 6 plus 8, which equals 2. Sometimes it's a little different. I'll do another example.
Yeah.
Yeah, can I go down?
Yeah.
Now, do you remember this one from school?
This one?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah, you... what are you doing?
Nothing.
Right, for example, 3x plus 4y equals 5, 2x plus 5y equals 1. So this is different. Why is it different? Why different?
No, because if we minus that, we don't have 0.
Yeah. The x's are different.
Yeah.
The y's
Different.
are different. They won't kill each other.
Yeah.
They won't cancel. So we need to make x or y the same. Does anyone know how to do that? Make x or y the same? Let's say we want to make x the same. What can we do?
6x 6.
Yeah, but give me the verb. What do I do?
Multiply.
Thank you. Multiply by 2. Multiply 3. So we get 6x plus 8y equals 10. 6x plus 15y equals 3. Now we can minus. They go 0. Next.
Minus 7y.
Yep. So y equals minus 1. And I can put this here to get x. So I can get 6x minus 8 equals 10. 6x equals 18. X equals 3. Okay, can you write this one down? This is another example. Already got it? Great. Also elimination. Yeah. Yep. It's okay? One more method. My favorite method. No, the next one is my favorite. You haven't seen it yet. Oh, because it's my favorite, it won't be your favorite. Yeah? Okay. Can I do the next one? Yes? Yes? Okay. Gaussian elimination method. This word is actually a person's name. So it doesn't mean anything, it's his name. It's like saying Stephen's elimination method. There's no meaning, it's just a name. His name is Gauss. He's from Germany.
He made this.
The next one, yeah.
I don't like him.
Already you don't like him. You haven't seen his method. I'll do a simple example to show you the method. We'll do the one we did at the start. Y equals minus 6x plus 8 and y equals minus 7x plus 9. Okay, so for his method, what you do first is just write it like this. 6x plus y equals equals 8.
Alright.
And 7x plus y equals 9. First step. Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. And then what you do is you put it in a block like this. 6, 1, 7, 1, 8, 9. Because it's like there's a 1 and 1 here. Okay. So can you write that bit down?
Yeah.
And a little bit of vocabulary. This is called row 1 and this is called row 2. Okay? So once it's like this, Gauss has 2 rules. The first rule, you can multiply any row by any not 0 number. So his first rule is, you can multiply by any number, whatever. And the second rule, you can add or subtract any row onto another row. So he said you could maybe do row 1 plus row 2 and put the answer here. I'll explain with an example. So these are the 2 rules. So the first rule, you could do this. Multiply 2, multiply 3. That's the first rule. And the second rule says you can add them together. 6 plus 7, 1 plus 1, 8 plus 9. And you can put the answer on row 1 or row 2. Okay. Have we got this? So, there we go. So in this example, it's easy. I'll show you an example. Sorry. I want to make 0 here. I want to get a 0 here. So I'll multiply this by 7 and I'll multiply this by 6. You're getting cold. Cold? Are you sure? Okay. If I multiply by 7, what do I get here?
42.
42. Next?
7.
7?
56.
56. Okay, and if I multiply by 6?
42.
42. 54. Okay. Then what I do next is row 1 minus row 2 and I put the answer on row 2. So for example here, 42 minus 42, 0. 7 minus 6, 1. And then here, 56 minus 64, 2. And the first row, it stays the same,
Mm-hmm.
like this.
Yeah.
Okay?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah? Okay. Next, let me see. I want. Well, I suppose you can stop here if you want,
Mm-hmm.
but I think I'll continue. So what I'd like to do next, I want to make a 0 here. So how can I make a 0 here?
I don't think.
Can't you have to add the rows together? Yeah, you would like to put a 7 here, a -7. This here is a 1. It would be better if it was a 7. So I could multiply this by 7. 7. So what do I get here? 0, 7, and 14. Now I can do row 1 minus row 2 and put the answer on row 1 or 2? 1, yeah. 42 minus 0? 42. 7 minus 7? 0. 56 minus 14? 42. And then this stays the same. And finally,
Minus?
oh sorry, is it minus? No, this is okay. Yeah. And finally, I want to get a 1 here and a 1 here. So what should I multiply this by to make this a 1? 1 over
42.
yes. And what should I multiply here to make this a 1?
1 over 7.
1 over 7. So now I get 1,
Yeah.
0, 1. Here, 0, 1, 2. So if you write this out, you get 1x plus 0y equals 1. So you get x equals 1. And here, 0x plus 1, yeah, y equals 2. So here you get y equals 2. So this here is the answer,
Mm-hmm.
is the xy.
Yeah.
Now I know that seems very long, but it works really well when you have a big, difficult, hard question. What's that? I didn't understand it because it was in some language I don't speak.
Yeah.
What did you say?
Yeah, in China, this idea has other name.
What's it called?
You don't know in Chinese?
Give it to me in Chinese, maybe I know.
回答力.
Yes.
Yes.
Maybe you know that in China he has other name.
Okay. You've seen this before. You did this in China?
Yeah.
Yeah, really? And did you write it the same way?
No, not the very thing.
Not like this.
Yeah.
You didn't use the block.
Yeah.
Yeah. How did you write it? Just numbers?
Yeah, just number.
Okay, all right. Let's do a more difficult example. Can I go down? Yes? Oh, you need to go. That's fine, yeah.
I don't know.
2 over 7x minus 3 over 5y equals minus 5 over 9. 2 over 9x minus 1 over 2y equals 5 over 7. Can you write this down? We'll do it together. Okay. See you.
I'll have to again.
Will I see you next week or not?
I'm not sure.
Okay. A surprise. Continue? Yes?
Yes.
So let's do it together. 2 over 7 minus 3 over 5 minus 5 over 9. 2 over 9 minus 1 over 2 and then 5 over 7. Yes?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. Jason, what do you think we could do first?
First,
Mm-hmm. Or anybody? Like Honey, what do you think?
16,
Mm-hmm.
16,
5, 9, 5, 0, 1, 5, 9.
16, 3. Oh, slow down. I'm confused. What do you think, Jocelyn?
5.
Multiply.
Yes, 16,
16? Oh, 60. 60. And here, multiply
63.
63. Thank you. 63. 62.
No, 9. 9.
Maybe 21.
Maybe 21?
Yes.
Okay, I'll tell you which one. Multiply this one
No.
by 7 over 2. And this one, 9 over 2. Let's see what happens. So what will this be?
1.
1. Minus 21 over 10 minus 35 over 18. 1 minus 9 over 4, 45 over 14. Okay, write this much, please. Okay. Next, I'll do row 1 minus row 2 and put the answer on 1 or 2.
1.
2.
Alright,
Yeah.
yeah, 2.
I would like, what I'm trying to do, listen, look at me. I know it's difficult to look at me, but try your best. I'm trying to make a 1, a 0, a 0, and a 1. So what I'll do first is I'll make the 0 here first. Okay, so here I get 0. I'm tired, I'm going to use my calculator. So the next one, so lazy. So lazy. Minus 21 over 10, minus 9 over 4. 3 over 20. Minus 35 over 18, minus 45 over 14. Minus 325 over 63. Yeah. 1 minus 21 over 10 minus 35 over 18. Okay. Now, what's next?
Minus 21 over 10.
Yeah?
What year ago?
Yeah, how?
By
multiply 10 over minus 0.
Yeah, I can multiply by 10 over
21.
21, and here 20 over 3.
Right.
Yeah? Okay, let's see what we get. Yes?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. So here will be 10 over 21. Next.
1.
Minus 1. And then 10 over 21 multiply 35 over 18, the minus 25 over 27. And here 0, 1, ooh yeah, 6,500 over 189. What's next?
And put 10 over 21 to no,
Row in.
Row
1
1,
minus
no, plus row 2, and put the answer
1.
row 1.
1.
So here we got 10 over 21, 0, plus over 189, 6325 over 189, 0, 1, 6500 over 189. Nearly finished. Only one thing left. What's that? What's the...
Minus
No?
uh 10 over 21x plus 0 equals
No. Multiply 21 over 10. So that this becomes 1001. Yeah. One, 2, 6, 5 over 18, 6500 over 189. So we have our answer. The answer is 1265 over 18, 6500 over 189. And that is the wrong answer. Rats. Made a mistake somewhere. This part is right, this part is wrong. Which means maybe I multiplied wrong. Hang on. 6325 over 189 multiplied by 21 over 10. No. Maybe I multiplied wrong earlier. Here, row 1 plus row 2. No. Oh no. Oh, so sad. Maybe I wrote the question down wrong. That's right. Wait.
Great.
Wait, maybe I see it. No. Did you find my mistake?
minus 35 over 18 by 10 over 21. The answer is minus 315 over 378.
Yeah, but it's the same, minus 25 over 27. What went wrong? You all did it with me.
It's okay.
One of these steps is wrong. It's so sad.
No, the way is right.
Yes,
Yeah, the important.
that's the important thing.
Yeah, okay.
The calculation is wrong.
Yeah.
Oh well. Anyways, let's forget about it. I'm thinking about lunch.
Yeah.
Hey. Wait, don't worry. Like Jocelyn said, the way is right, just the numbers are wrong.
Yeah,
Yes.
because the numbers are difficult.
And the numbers are difficult, yes. Can I tell you why I like this way when you do it right? The reason I like this method is because it works well when you have X, Y, and Z. You know, like if you have, you know, many numbers, 5, 2, whatever, you know, you do it the same way. You try to make this, you know, 1, 2, 3. You know, this works for any size. This is why I like it. I know it's ugly, and this is a bad example because, you know, I got this one wrong. But that's life. It happens. Okay. I think we might as well just finish then. Let me give you a small homework to do to keep you busy. Wait, Jason, I'm giving you homework. Yeah. I'd like you to practice one of each. So could you can mark it 1B. No, change my mind. 1C, 2C, 3C, and 4C. 1C, 2C, 3C, and 4C. Did you mark that, Jason?
Yeah.
What's
Well,
that? Yeah?
1, 2, 3, 4, 6.
Correct. Yes. Okay. We'll look at it next week. Maybe your 4C will be better than mine. That would be good. All right. We'll finish.